Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to another vlog. We are out here by the title of this video. You guys already know what's about to go down. We're about to be tilty, baby. So let's get it. I'm about to load up the parts. Then we're about to head out to AutoZone, go grab a couple things, and then we're gonna head to my pop's house, install everything. So stay tuned. We're on our way. Let me get these things loaded up. We are all loaded up, so let's get it. All right, so we just pulled up in Advanced Auto Parts right now. I gotta get some paint for the side skirts because they're just primered right now. So let's find what we need. So I'm gonna go with the Perfect Match Universal Black. It's gonna be easy money. That's just gonna be for the base coat. And if we could find some 2K clear, that would be money. Well, I guess we gotta settle for the 1K clear. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just not gonna come out as shiny, but it does come out still mint. I'm not a professional painter, but we're gonna make this work today. And to sand down the side skirts that are already primered, you need a scuff pad. Scuff pads are good. You can just use, you don't have to get any crazy, like 20, 220, 400. You can, it doesn't have to be extremely perfect because it's just gonna be side skirts. I just use the scuff pad. So, unfortunately, I got the wrong clear, so we're gonna stop by Home Depot and get a good one. All right, I'm looking for the 2K clear. I don't see nothing. I do see it. Ha. Okay, thank you. On our way. We just pulled up to my pop's house. Wanna say hi, Pop? Oh, what's good? So he's gonna help me put on the Lambo door hinges and the side skirts today. Hopefully we can get the side skirts down today. But if not, Lambo door hinges is a definite. And that being said, we're gonna start now. So let's get it. Made this a family affair. Got my brother here too. We're taking out the inner bolts over there on the inside of the fender, and we're gonna start working. Front door is off already. That took like legit 2 minutes. Well, we tried to do something cool today, but Bob, you want to explain that real quick?
This is not gonna work because the fender has to, cut half of the fender right here just to fit this in. We don't know the support that we have over here.
Yeah, we don't know how much is behind here that we can actually mount the main bracket to.
One of the things. And it's gotta go all the way.
Yeah, it has to go like all the way like back here, so it's really not gonna work.
Like this, two over here, see how it is? This gotta be over here. The door gonna swing. Then go that way.
Yeah, it goes out and up.
Gotta go that way, so this
It's not gonna
here,
clear.
It might have to be two over here.
Yeah, it's not gonna clear. Damn! It's all good though. No worries. We tried something, didn't work. Wasted money. So, if you guys want a Lambo door hinge kit that's universal, it's up for sale. All right, so since that didn't work, we're gonna go straight to the side skirts and we're gonna get these prepped up, get them ready for paint, and let's get it. All right, so we got the side skirts all prepped up, sanded, everything. We're gonna get these painted and we're gonna throw some clear on them and we should be good. Then mount them all up, we're gonna be done. My dad came up with a makeshift paint booth, like my brother said. A booth, B-O-O-F. So today's not the ideal day to actually really paint, but we're gonna do it anyways because we're in the garage. So we're getting somewhere. We're almost there. We're gonna lay down one more coat with Gucci. It's just super windy today, so we're trying to make it work. Side skirt numero uno is Dunsky. And this looks really, really good. Well, not really good. I'm not a freaking painter, but it came out decent. All right, let's bang out side skirt number 2. I'm gonna time lapse this one since you already seen the process for the first one. Out with the old of these freaking wavy things. In with the new. So we're just getting the double-sided tape on the side skirts right now, and we're gonna put one side, and then after we will time lapse the last one, and that is it for this stupid install video. After hours and hours of work, it's gonna come out very, very well, or really good. One of those two. Dude, these look so much better than the other ones. So much cleaner. Let's do a side-by-side comparison because we have the other side. Beautiful. Ass. Really nice.
Brother's trying to short me on the pocket.
Last side skirt is going in, out with the old, in with the new. With that being said, we're gonna time lapse this just to speed up the process, and let's get it. Oh!
Ollie over there.
You want me to ollie over?
Go this way, go this way.
Yeah, we're going this way.
Don't do it over the crate.
Oh! First try, baby! Tubular, dude.
Send that to Plan B, man.
Plan?
I don't mean the Regaton band, I mean the skateboard.
Skateboard brand, dude. Damn, these things look really, really good, man. Oh, dude, this is a car aired out. It looks so good. Look at that. Sheesh. Sheesh. That is it for this vlog, guys. Thank you guys for staying along for this journey and hanging out with me. With that being said, thank you, thank you, thank you. The side skirt install was insane. The Lambo door hinges didn't work out the way we wanted to, but it is what it is. Look at my niece PJ here. She's gonna finish it out for us. So with that being said, I'll see you guys next time, and peace.
About to make a couple million out the back end. On fleece, I look like a chick. On the chick, flying on the chick. Who is it drip by?